Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back in another video. Today I'm in LabidulHaque. LabidulHaque's car.
What the fuck?
So I forgot what I was gonna say, guys, but yeah. Oh yeah. So 3 things I hate about this car. This Astra Mark 5 H, Astra H Mark 5 1.4 SXi.
VXR.
VXR, yeah, VXR, SXR, PDI, STI, PDF. Right, guys. So 3 things I hate. First one is it has no damn cup holders. Lack of cup holders. Look,
Bro,
you got one here.
that's all I need.
Where's the rest, man? You can't fit a single cup in there. You got one here, but it's the most silliest place to put it because it's just for flying to Africa. We've even tried it, even at 20 miles an hour. Your drink's going flying, guys. And the back ones, you can fit a tiny bottle that's squishable, but not a normal thing. So essentially, this car has one cup holder, one proper cup holder, which is quite shit. Okay, so the next thing I hate is you got no oil temperature display on here at all, or coolant temperature, nothing. The only way to know is if it comes on there, innit?
What?
You only see on there, innit? Oil temperature.
No.
Nothing.
No.
You got no temperature.
I got nothing to me.
Okay, so this car has no temperature at the moment, so you can't tell at all if your car's overheating. Nothing.
You can, but you need to go
change
through
it.
these random settings and all this shit.
It's very odd. It should just be a simple display like every other normal car has, where it just has 90 degrees or whatever, so you know when your car's warmed up, so you can rag it or whatever you want to say, or drive like a human being if that's who you are. So yeah, and the second thing is, if you know it's overheating, you can prevent it and you can cool it down by turning on your heating fans and stuff. But with this, there's no indication. You'll know at the last moment when it's dying. So that's the problem. And the third thing that I hate about it is, if you change to an aftermarket stereo, you have no control over this display. So you can't change this on what you want to change it to. So
I want to change it.
He wants a time and date on it, but it's stuck on the fuel miles per gallon. So if you do want to set that, you have to change the display out, change it to what screen you want, and then thing it, because you got no control over it with this at all, because it's controlled through that radio. That's the shit thing. So that's my 3 things I hate about this car. There might be more in the future, who knows, but right now, as of now, that is the 3 things I hate. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, stay tuned for more Astra videos.
And make sure you buy an Astra H.
And yeah, Labib, after muffler delete, Labib thinks louder thinks. We're thinking of a cherry box, but he can't be asked, so we're just good enough the resonator, guys. So yeah, stay tuned for that. It's too loud, bro. It's too loud. He's gonna be annoying. All his neighbors gonna hate him. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.